Hey guys, and welcome to Where's the Scale. So I just recently ranked on the first page of Google with multimedia articles following my rapid ranking system. And you've been asking me about creating not a single review article, but a multiple Roundup product review template. And I wanted to test it on a real keyword. And first things first, let's see if my ranking stuck. Again, I'm not in the US. I'm actually using GenSpark to show me the SERPs. And these are all recent multimedia articles, by the way. So the first keyword is Quill Genius AI Review. The first position is Trustpilot, then Product Hunt, and then this is my article. I consider it a multimedia article, strong EAT signal with a link to my profile, an extremely nicely formatted article, one of the best reviews out there, well, the best review out there in the top 10. Amazing. Let's keep scrolling. The second keyword is Dreamwriter AI Review. Again, I'm behind AppSumo and Product Hunt. And these are all articles that are like a few days old. Again, extremely nicely put together article. And this is a one-click article that contains video embeds, screenshots, amazing formatting, everything that you really need to make a decision, really. And then we have another keyword, which is GenSpark AI Keyword Research. And I'm actually occupying positions number 2 and number 4 with my YouTube video and my article, which is the best resource ever with prompts and everything, 5 separate strategies. And just look at how nice it is. You can copy the prompt. This is a complete user experience, extreme value. And finally, I just did a qual writer versus agility writer versus SEO writing. And as you can see, I'm already at number 3. This is the article. This is a new prompt that is more of a roundup review. Straight up, the verdict. Strong AET signals, why we test it, why I trust this guide. Quick look comparison. And then in-depth to review. This is for qual writer. This is for agility. This is for SEO writing. Side-by-side comparison. Which tool is right for you? I should probably fix the width of the HTML code, but again, it's an extremely easy fix inside of a Google AI Studio. And if we go to the actual SERPs, you can see that my article was published like 6 hours ago. And it's already behind Medium and Reddit, occupying the 3rd place. And now I'll give you a quick recap on how I was able to achieve that. And people in my school community are getting amazing results. They're using my rapid ranking system to catch low competition content gap keywords and then rank with multimedia articles. Articles like this, for example, a student of mine was able to rank on the first page just behind the sponsored posts, position number 1, and just look at how this looks like. This is amazing. Amazing. This is next gen. Nobody else is doing that. We are already at 95 members. I will be increasing my price from 27 to 47 once we reach 100. So only 5 spots left at a lower price. But I digress. So I go to GenSpark, which is my tool of choice. Then I'm using a super agent, which is the mode that is able to call different agents inside of GenSpark. You need to have your keywords, obviously. And I have a rapid ranking system in place with 8 different keyword research hacks. So the keyword I chose was qual writer versus agility versus SEO writing. The first half is about SEO optimization, then LSI keywords. For the LSI keywords, I went to Neuron Writer. Then I copied the list of basic terms and then the extended terms as well. You can also fetch entities, but it's a hit or miss, especially with lower competition keywords, because most of these entities will be present in this list. Then you go to something like list to comma separated, which is one of the tools I'm using all the time. You paste it here, you copy the keywords, you go back to your prompt and paste them here. Then it has a few instructions about readability. It has a link to my LinkedIn to serve as a strong signal. And then it basically builds up on my single product review article, but makes it better and more suitable for the Roundup. And it ends with a few prompts about being interactive and being a multimedia experience. And this is what you get. You go to this web page. You go to the code. You copy the code. You go to your web page. And CMS of choice for me is WordPress. You use something like custom HTML, you paste this in. Then the only thing that I do is I copy the keyword and I use it as a slug, tidy it up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Then I hit publish. Again, you need to see how it looks with your theme. What I'm noticing here is the width of the article that I don't really like. I really want it to be wider, but that's an easy fix. You go to the Google AI Studio, which is free, so you don't spend any GenSpark credits. And you use the latest model like Gemini 2.5 to correct the code, and it usually does a very good job. These articles usually cost between 50 and 300 credits. You might be able to do this on a free plan, but I advise you to go for a paid plan. And this is how you create experiences, not articles. So once again, I'm running a school community inside which we have the rapid ranking system, which allows you to use 8 different hacks to get your keywords. This is the kinds of reviews I'm getting. I just watched the Google Search Console method, and oh my god, definitely check it out. And this is only method number 2. And Tony, who is doing extremely well with these methods, is absolutely right. I have 7 more methods. And I have the GenSpark Academy, where you will be able to create multimedia articles, kid stories, immersive articles, information reports, one-click directories. And we also have a niche hunter course, which is dedicated to finding low competition profitable niches. So you actually get the whole package. So guys, that's it. Price is going to get up real soon. Catch it while we can, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.